Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Discord account from your phone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app and log in if you haven't already. Then, tap your profile picture at the bottom right. After that, tap the gear icon at the top to access settings. Now, go to the Account section, scroll all the way down, and tap on Delete Account. If you have created any server, you will need to either delete it or transfer ownership before you can proceed. Discord won't let you delete your account unless this is done. Once you've handled that, go back and confirm the deletion by entering your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also need to enter the code. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently delete your Discord account from your mobile device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.